Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel again and welcome back to Pearl TV if you are watching this in my YouTube channel. And welcome back to Pearl TV Official if you are watching this in my FB page. Okay, so flex ko ulit ang aking earrings. Okay, and flex ko ulit ang aking pilik mata. Ay, hindi siya, ano lang siya eh. Eyeliner. Liquid liner. Okay, so guys, ayoko na sana mag-react kasi tapos na ang Miss Universe. Okay? Nakamove on na sana ako, but I saw many chismis na si Miss Michelle D ay dinaya sa kakatapos lang ng Miss Universe 2023 pageant. Okay? So, bakit? Ayoko sana mag-react kaso parang biglang nalungkot ako nang nalaman ko na may pinost na daw sa El Salvador parang projector nakasama si Michelle D sa Magic 5 but later on hindi siya kasama. Nang in-announce ang Magic 5 iba yung nandun. Wala daw si Thailand pero nang proclaim ng Magic 5 kasama si Thailand. Okay? So parang nadaya talaga ba si Michelle D? So ano yung masasabi nyo guys? So nagbabasa ako ng mga komento dito. Ayan. Sabi dito ng isang netizen at Alert Pojotan, sabi dito, obviously, she's robbed. Business is business. Held your head up, hi MD. You're winner to us. We're all so proud of you. Thank you for representing the country. Okay? So ito, may isa matindi-tindi dito. May nabasa ako dito na sinasabi sa comment na ang may-ari daw ng prangkisa ngayon ng Miss Universe is Thailand. Okay? So, kung bakit pinalitan si Michelle sa Magic 5. So, 'di ba? Kung totoo man 'yun. Sabi dito. Ayan ito. Sabi dito, up better than ever, sabi. Yes, pasok talaga dapat si Michelle D sa top 5. At very evident yung from start to finish. Hindi na dapat pang pagtakam pa dahil Thai din ang bagong may-ari ng prangkisa ng Miss Universe. Kahit naman sa SEA Games, naluluto yung mga decision ng mga judges. Kahit pakitang-kita mo na sa puntos na nanalo ng katunggali ng bansang Thai at recently sa SEA Games ng Cambodia. Mayroong substansang sinabi ko at base ito sa dating kaganapan sa larangan ng kompetisyon na nilalahukan ng bansang natukoy ko na lalong-lalo na kung sila pa ang host ng country. Hindi nga tayo ang host ng country ng Miss U ngayon pero isang Thai naman ang may-ari nito ngayon. Oh, I see. Possible ba guys? Okay, sabi the pageant judges and sponsored selected Spanish Latinas. Obviously, Miss Spain, Colombia, Venezuela, Puerto Rico, Nicaragua, etc. Miss Thailand and Miss Venezuela stand out. Bias was clearly gliding in this pageant. Tapos sabi naman itong isa, let's not spread hate, just let karma do its thing. The right time will come when the Philippines will dominate the beauty pageant once again. I am Filipino-Australian and always support the Philippines in whatever international competition in the Philippines that they compete in, okay? No need to cry, MMD won our heart. She's a true beauty queen. Okay guys, possible talaga. Sa totoo lang. Kasi, makita nyo naman, di ba? Yung, kung baga talaga, kung pipili ka ng beauty queen, kita-kita mo na eh. Yung poise ni Michelle D. Talagang really fitted for the Miss Universe, okay? Although sinabi nga ni Miss Gloria Diaz na yung pagiging beauty queen is luck din. Pero syempre, somehow, mapaghandaan mo talaga eh, di ba? Okay. Pero yun nga na sinabi din nila na Miss Universe is business. So they will choose someone who is profitable. Di ba? Profitable. Pero nga, kung na-project na nga, nakasama si Michelle D sa Magic 5 at pinalitan pa ni Thailand, very obvious naman yung pang-ano nila. Nalungkot ako bigla eh. Kaya napareact ako nang nabasa ko yung sinabi nila na they rob the slot for Miss Philippines, okay? Kasi bakit? I am a Filipina. I support Michelle D. Her winning is also my winning, okay? Miss Michelle D is representing us, all Filipina. She is our pride, okay? So, parang tinarakan ako dito ng patalim sa dibdib ko nang nalaman kong dinaya. Oo nga, sabi nga nila, they will choose someone who is profitable. Kasi nga, yun talaga yung... Pero bakit? Na very obvious naman na nando na nga pinalitan pa. Okay? So, ayun na. Nakakalungkot kung ganun yung ano nila. Napaka-unfair. Okay? Kaya dapat palaging ganyan kasi pinapabayaan. Laging sabihin tanggapin. Andun na eh. Kaya lang very unfair. So unfair kasi pinaghirapan naman yun ng kandidata. Yes, true. Pinaghirapan ni Michelle D. Pagod puyat. At saka yung team. Hindi lang si Michelle D team. And many Filipino people who are supporting Michelle D, hindi sila natutulog eh. They are there to support Michelle D. Diba? And the mother. Sa nanay, napakasakit nun na yung anak mo nadaya eh, no? I am always been proud to all our candidates who are joining in the pageant. But the saddest thing is like this, na dinadaya tayo, diba? Yes, kasi guys, ito yung, kung napasok si Michelle D sa Magic 5, I know she can grab the crown, you know? She can be in the Magic 3. Siguro yun yung iniisip nila. Kapag nakapasok si Michelle D sa Magic 5, there is a possibility that she can jump into the Magic 3, diba? And very bright. Okay, very bright. Her answer is she is a very brilliant conversationalist. Diba magaling din si Michelle sa ganun eh. Kitang-kita mo na eh, sa mga gowns, sa swimsuit, the way she project herself. She's a queen for me, okay? Kaso yun nga, nadaya daw. Napaka-unfair talaga. Okay? Ang nandaya pa na country. Yun sa beshi-beshi niya, di ba? So, I don't know. Lahat naman talaga magaganda, okay? They're all beauties. They're all intelligent. But, I know. When you see Michelle din naman talaga, guys. Kagaya di ba ni Catriona Gray, talagang ramdam na ramdam niya yung ano doon. Kitang-kita eh. Na may potensyal. Na nandun yung potensyal para maging isang queen. And her advocacy is very, very beautiful. Okay? That is also an awareness for every parent and the people around. Kasi she would love to give awareness to the autism spectrum disorder, di ba? Kasi maraming parents na merong ganyan yung kaso yung mga anak eh. So, I don't know. Why is it that El Salvador do it to Michelle, okay? So, napaka-obvious naman. So, sana next time, hindi na ganun. Kasi, what's the essence of this competition if later on, they will be doing like that, diba? Naghirap yung mga kandidata, they funded for the expenses, and of course, the time, the effort that they made, okay? So, I hope, lesson learned na naman, nandun talaga, na political na naman si Michelle. This is, politikahan talaga yan eh, kasi diba, politikahan talaga, dagdag bawas, okay? So, I hope that talagang maging lesson to sa bawat isa. Now, when you join the beauty pageant, there's a possibility that even if you all have the guts to be the queen, still, there are people who will manipulate the pageantry, the competition. So, hindi talaga tayo dapat umasa ng bonggang-bongga kasi may mga taong ganun, mapuprostrate lang tayo. Okay? So, good luck naman sa kanila na mga gumawa ng ganyan sa atin. Okay? Pero sa aking puso, winner pa rin si Michelle D and we love her. And she's our queen, okay? She's our Miss Universe 2023. Okay, bye and thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Love you all.